Welcome back to Yarn Basics. Today we're going to learn how to do a circle. And if you watched the previous videos, it will show you how to get to this point. We're going to start with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to slip stitch into the first chain. Pull through. We're going to chain 2. That will be the first double crochet. We're going to wrap around. Now we're going to stick it into the center. Wrap around, pull through, wrap around, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's your second double crochet. We're going to do 12 of these. Insert, pull through, wrap around, insert, pull through, wrap around, wrap around, insert, pull through. Now you can either leave the tail off to the side while you're doing this, or you could do like I'm doing, and I'm covering it as I go. All right, we have 12 double crochets. Now we're going to slip stitch into the very first double crochet. And there is your circle. If you're going to keep that going, chain 2, turn, that's your first, wrap, and basically you continue that all the way around, doing the same thing to make it as big as you want for your circle. Thank you. If this helped, please like my page and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.